This is the Nature Channel, and today we're looking at the wild Tiggy. Right now, see him sitting down, but soon he will get up and he yawns. But he doesn't get up. He looks behind him, looks in front of him, starts moving. He doesn't realize what's going on. Oh, he's yawning again! He seems to be interested. Oh, he's yawning again! He looks very tired. Oh, he's getting up! Oh, he was asleep. He realizes that this is the Nature Channel. And then blinks and then gets confused. He looks in the distance like a proud little cat. He doesn't realize that he is the chosen one.